Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts an engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, GVWR, 9,900 pounds, 4490 kilograms, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable, black, manual folding, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 4.10 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, alternator, 160 amps, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timings VE85 compatible, flex fuel, emissions override, federal, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Lamps, smoked amber roof marker, audio system, AM/FM stereo, license plate front mounting package, trailering equipment, heavy duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.